I'm going to show you how to access Google Drive directly from Gmail. Whether you're new to the Google ecosystem or just looking to streamline your workflow, this simple guide will help you seamlessly switch between Gmail and Google Drive for a more efficient digital experience. First, open your Gmail account. If you aren't already logged in, enter your credentials to access your inbox. Once you're in Gmail, look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a small grid icon that resembles a waffle. This icon is your gateway to all the Google apps and services linked to your account. Click on the grid icon to pull down a menu displaying various Google apps, including Maps, YouTube, Calendar, and more. What you're looking for is the Drive icon, which looks like a colorful triangle representing Google Drive. If you don't see it immediately, scroll through the list of icons until you find it. Google arranges these icons based on your usage, so its position may change over time. Once you've located the Drive icon, click on it. This will open Google Drive in a new browser tab, giving you instant access to all your files, documents, and photos stored in the cloud. This integration makes switching between managing emails and handling files seamless, helping you stay productive with minimal disruption. To make the process even faster in the future, consider rearranging the grid icons according to your usage. Simply hover over the Drive icon and drag it to a preferred position within the menu. This way, your most used apps are always easy to find. Accessing Google Drive from Gmail is incredibly straightforward, and as you get familiar with this process, you'll find it can greatly enhance your efficiency, especially when transferring information between emails and files. Google's ecosystem is designed to work together, providing a unified experience that supports both personal and professional productivity. By integrating Gmail with Google Drive, you can streamline tasks, ensure all your important documents are accessible anytime, and manage your digital life with ease. Now, you're fully equipped to switch effortlessly between Gmail and Drive, making your workflow smarter and more efficient. Happy emailing!